Hey, this is John Howell here, founder of TradingInvesting4U.com and also featured in the best-selling book, Secrets of Stock Market Trades Exposed. Now, I want to welcome you to another edition on keeping you on top of the market. So without further ado, let's get into the education. Hey traders, it's John Howell here from TradingInvesting4U.com, and in today's video I'm going to go over IBM for you. Okay, so IBM on the US stock market. Now there's quite a few interesting things. I've been getting some emails saying they're looking to buy IBM now, and it's quite interesting. Right now I'm getting a lot of emails saying they actually want to be buying a lot of stocks that are just are way too high right now. And my advice is, or my general advice around this is just I would not be happy to be buying stocks around these levels here. Well, at least wait for a decent pullback, okay? Okay, but that's just my general advice. But right now we're looking at a daily chart, okay? But what I want to do here is I want to make this video quick for you. So let's go over to the weekly chart. And one thing I want to show you here is you can see here on the weekly chart that we've had a massive run to the high side, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a trend line in to see what we're going to do is we need to identify parameters. Parameters simply mean where are the major support and resistance lines. So I'm just going to draw a trend line up through there. Okay, you can see that sort of major line through there is definitely major support. Okay, bounce there. You can see here that we had a bounce through here, and a major bounce through there. So that's definitely nice and tight there. Okay, maybe in just a bit more tighter. Okay, the more touches the better. And we're just going to copy it and create a parallel trend line. Okay, and I'm just going to bring this up here so we can create what we call a parameter. Parameters are simply mean we're trying to identify the major areas of support and or resistance that we are looking at here within the market. Okay, so now what we created here what we call parameters. You can see the market is definitely this top line through here. It's definitely this major top channel, and this major bottom channel is definitely through there as well too. So now we look at what IBM is doing. Let's have a closer look at what IBM is doing right now. Let's move it close in right now, and we can see that obviously we're at the top of this channel, okay, and we've sort of been struggling. You see this week here it ran up and then bounced back down, and once again you can see this here, it ran up and then bounced back down and then closed there. It's ran up this week and now it's closing here. Okay, so it's having a lot of problems at these levels here, as you can see. So what we can see right now as well too is that we can see this whole point of resistance through here. You can see how we had the resistance through there, and now it's just popped up. Okay, we just popped up and now we're just going sideways. So because we're going sideways and we're at this resistance line through here, okay, major resistance line, there's a couple of things that can happen here. Okay, one, we can just go sideways and we break out. If we do break out above this resistance line, we're likely to continue higher. Okay, or we can have my good old stop and reverse pattern. Stop and reverse pattern simply means that we have broken to new highs, okay, or broken to above resistance. So this is our resistance line. We've broken above resistance, and it simply just goes sideways. If it just goes sideways, we have no sort of view on it at all. But if it breaks down through here and closes through here, then I would have a projected target at this bottom of this trend line. So a projected target of around about the 180 to 177, somewhere around about there, to this next support level. Okay, so I hope that helps. I hope this helps if you're looking to trade IBM. Okay, IBM, International Business Machines Corporation. So looking at that, I hope this helps you, and I hope you understand that this is what's happening with IBM. Again, stocks are way too high right now, and I really am looking for pullbacks. Okay, and just as a general advice, if you're looking to buy anything, okay, don't ever buy it when it runs up. Okay, don't ever buy up here. Always buy on pullbacks. Okay, buy on a pullback here. Market runs up, buy on a pullback here. Okay, always buy on pullbacks. Don't ever buy when the market's already run up huge amounts. Okay, all right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
Since being mentored by Johnny Howe, I have found that my trading skills have grown tremendously.
John Howe is truly one of the best traders of the 21st century.
John, thank you so much for all your time in helping me to become the professional trader that I have been striving to be.
And that saw me take home $1,500 Australian after expenses in only 6 trading days.
I now know I could trade on my own and be successful at it, simply because of the way John has taught me.
Over the last 5 to 6 months, we have a 70% success rate. This is amazing considering how volatile the markets are.
But at the end of January, I was in a position where I could finally test out a couple of live trades. Nothing big, not a lot of money, but on the 2 trades I put in 1 week, I was $1,200 clear. Amazing.
And my last few trades have been fantastic.
I just wanted to say thanks, John. You've got a very, very happy camper here.
I'm absolutely positive that I'm learning the necessary skills to trade the market in any condition, and I'm also earning some money along the way, and have found John's knowledge of the markets and his enthusiasm to be fantastic.
He's always available and approachable to answer any questions we have to help us get ahead.
With your phenomenal wisdom and insights into the market, you have given me the confidence to step up and take real responsibility in my trading, and the results are starting to flood in. It really means the world to me and my family, and I cannot thank you enough.
So I really have benefited so much from being mentored by Johnny and applying the techniques that he uses, and his mentoring is second to none. Thanks, Johnny, you've really helped me.
John is the real deal.